going on YouTube? Today we're going to be checking out this little guy. pHin. P-H-I-N. Funny. Get it? Haha. It's a smart water care for pools and hot tubs. So what really drew me to this is it is actually based off of Wi-Fi, and it has an Android or an iPhone app. So that's really cool. So you can track all your chemicals, get alerts for chemicals that are imbalanced, even track your temperature of your pool or your hot tub. So that way, when you're at your office or at work or whatever, and you're like, well, I wonder what temperature my pool is. I wonder if it's cool enough or warm enough, and you can check it on your phone real quick. It's first world problems. I understand. I get it. But let's go ahead and check and see what the thing's about. So as I said, it's Wi-Fi enabled. It's got temperature monitoring, chemical monitoring, and it has alerts and dosing. Also has service and sport. So the alerts and dosing, so it'll give you alerts and tell you what you need to add to your pool or your hot tub. So it can actually give you ideas of what you need to add as far as what chemical to add and whatnot to make it balanced. So on the side of the box here, it kind of explains a little bit more. Shows a little bit, looks like these are little dots on the actual phone itself. So it shows the temperature of the water, and then here it says perfectly balanced, not balanced, action needed. So most likely you can check and see what needs to happen. Unsafe water, action needed. So you can check to see what needs to happen. Maybe the temperature is too hot or what, or maybe the chemicals are just way out of balance and it's not safe for you to be in the pool or hot tub. So a little bit later in the video, we're going to go over what's actually in the box, but this is what it includes: a smart monitor, Wi-Fi bridge, calibration kit, free mobile app, 1-year monitoring subscription, 1-year replacement warranty. So my understanding is they give you 1 year for free, which comes with the warranty for the subscription, as well as you can actually subscribe on a yearly basis, and you can actually get order chemicals through the actual app itself, so that way you don't have to go find them and all that jazz. Also, it extends your warranty to the actual unit itself. All right, here's the back. Kind of gives you a little iPhone app preview. We'll go through the actual app itself on the iPhone later on, but looks like you can look at water history charts, easy chemical dosing directions, alerts when you need action. It's got tests for the chemicals as needed. Looks like you can share your water data with your favorite pool store to get in-person help and pick up chemicals. So most likely you can take your iPhone app or open up the app and show them what you're seeing needs. And then, like I said, free replacement warranty while subscribed. So that's the whole thing, is if you're actually subscribed, it's a free replacement warranty, basically unlimited, I guess. I guess it's not free replacement. The replacement's actually free, but the warranty or the subscription is not. So as you can see here, little pHin here in the water, and then here it's kind of a little notification. It tells them to add a little bit of that the pH is up and add some more chemicals. And then here's the third model, is adding the chemicals itself. pHin here runs about $350 on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description so you can check it out yourself. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what's all inside. So here's pHin himself, him or her, whichever. So this is the actual monitoring device itself. Looks like it's got an LED up here, and you can see here it looks like it's got speakers maybe. The sensor's down here, I believe. Let's see here. Yep, the sensor's down here. So this may be speakers, or maybe more of a sensor, because it does kind of sit in the water really pretty deep. But as you can see, it's not too big, but actually it is a fairly large size for something that monitors your pool or your hot tub. But either way, here it is in all its glory. Then they provide you a small little user manual. And I'm assuming it tells you how to set it up and get it started. So as you can see here, remember I was talking about those little vents at the top? They may be vents, but they're above the water here in this picture. All right, so they also provide you a little tether, so that way you can actually, if you have a pool, that way it doesn't get sucked up in the filter area, or that way it actually just sits around the ladder area. Same thing for like a hot tub. That way it doesn't, your hot tubs can circulate and all that. That way it doesn't get moved around a lot and get caught up in something, or maybe get caught up sitting at a different angle where it can't monitor itself. But either way, they give you a tether if you want. Then you actually have the Wi-Fi bridge, or they call wireless. So I think this is actually a wireless bridge, but you can also connect it to Ethernet and then USB. This may be for something else. I'm not sure what this is exactly for. Maybe it's something where you can actually plug in, since this can be taking up a power plug. You can maybe plug in your phone or something like that to that, or maybe that's an update of some sort. I'm not 100% sure what that actually is used for. But I definitely want to make sure that this is, I'm pretty sure this is wireless. I mean, the pHin connects to this connects to your wireless network, or you can hardwire it into your actual network. And then here's a reset button, or pin, and you got a button over here too as well. And then here's all the test strips that they give you. They give you a bunch of test strips. They call it calibration kit. So you get 25 calibration strips and 1 calibration card for your pool or hot tub. So you dip the actual calibration strip into the water, and then they actually have a calibration card where you actually line it with the actual colors, and then you take a picture of it with your actual app for your pHin, and then it'll upload it to pHin's server and let you know what's going on. Now, I think that's more of like a calibration for the actual pHin itself. This thing should actually tell you if you're low on certain things, but I think this gets you more like to a closer exacts that you need. This is more of a, I don't want to say it's a dummy, but what this is really used for is to monitor your pool and your hot tub, and then this is just to get you really, really close to what you need. This thing just alerts you when it's out of whack, or allows you to actually see the temperature when you need to. All right, so let's get the app logged in and get it connected to this. And also I want to get this in the hot tub and check it out. I want to get it going for a little bit and check the app out myself. And I'll show you guys what the app looks like and kind of navigate you through that, as well as show you how this works. All right, so now we have pHin. We have them in the water itself. And we've had them in for probably about 4 or 5 days. It does say to put them in there and let them calibrate for about 30 minutes before you actually use the app. So make sure that you understand that you have to wait 30 minutes for it to actually calculate what you need it to. So now we have actually had it set up for about, like I said, 5 days or so. So it's been in there good, ready. Let's check out the actual app itself and what it provides to you. Another thing I wanted to mention to you as well is they do provide about 25 test strips, and then the test strip tester that you put it on. And so they make you actually take the tester and put it in the water like you would normally, and put it on the test strip and send it in with a picture. And that's, I think, in all reality, I think that the biggest use of this pHin the device itself, is just kind of get you in the ballpark of what you need to do. And it's kind of an alert, not a band-aid by any means, but just like an alert, hey, this is what needs to be added. And then this test strip gets you like exactly what you need to do, and it also calibrates the unit itself. They ask you to use the test strips once a month to make sure that pHin is calibrated correctly. So let's go ahead and look at what the app looks like. So here's the actual app itself when it's connected. So right now it allows you to, right now it's telling me time to add bromine. I think it's bromine or bromine. I can't remember what it actually is, but bromine. And it says your pH is out of balance. So it's telling us that our pH is actually out of balance for the hot tub. Lower your pH by 0.8. And then you can actually choose your pH if you want, whatever you're going to use. It asks you to establish your reserve. So you can actually go in and choose what you're going to use. So if you use leisure time brominator or brominating granular, you can use that, or you can actually change this and scan your product or use what they have here. So that way you got that all on, and it tells you exactly what to add and how much to add when you need it. And then it shows you, it looks like here, boost your sanitization. And then it tells you to choose your non-chlorine shock. So you can go through there and fill that out. So as you can see up here, it says 4 actions needed. I don't know if you can see up the very top here. But I got an alert, a push notification on my phone, and said 4 actions needed. And here's the 4 actions that are needed. And then also tells you the degrees of the hot tub water right now. So you can actually go in here and get a subscription to, I think their actual subscription, I think, is $99 a month. You get the first for free, I believe. But that requires, or actually gives you free update to, if your device goes bad or anything like that, it gives you a free replacement. So it's like, what is that? Less than $9 a month. And then also gets you on deals as well for subscription-based product if you wish. It's up to you. If you want to go the very, very lazy way, they're here to help you out. If not, you can add all your stuff in there and then go buy what you need and add in what you need. And then they have weekly reports. I don't think there's a report on here, but they got report. Oh, there it goes. got reports of temperature and sanitization. So you can go by week, day, month. So you can actually see it change. So it looks like pH has changed. It has actually gone up a little bit from day to day. So here's the app itself. I mean, in all reality, it's basic and gets down to what you need. And here's the scan, the test strip. So we already did that. So it's showing us that the total alkalinity is between 110 and 130, so it's okay. And then total hardness of water is 75 to 125, and it's low right now. So it's telling me total hardness of water is actually low. It's low in the range. So this device is actually really good at what it does, as you can see here, and it actually takes most of the guesswork and the actual work it takes to keep your hot tub or pool in working condition. So as you can see, the water actually is on circulation mode right now, just kind of how it is 24/7. And pHin likes to sneak over here and sit here by the filters. When the jets are on and you're actually in the hot tub, pHin finds himself in the filter area. So that's why they give you that little tether that you can do and put it up, tie it up somewhere else, so that way he doesn't get stuck over here, he or she, whatever he wants to be, gets stuck up in here in the filters. For a pool, it's a little bit different. I'm sure you want to tether it too as well for the pool to like a ladder. But they do give you a tether so you can keep pHin in the location you want him to be in. So there you have it with pHin. He's $350 on Amazon. You can see a link below to check out the pricing and current pricing right now in the description below. And then also in the comment section, if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comment section below. Questions, opinions, or anything like that on pHin. But in all reality, I think pHin is a great tool for your hot tub or pool. But other than that, that's pretty much it. We'll go ahead and put him back in the hot tub, and he'll continue to do what he's supposed to be doing. And I will see you next time.